Hello and welcome back friends. Today we have two new unboxes, that is Realme Buds 3 and Realme Buds 2. So let's get started. So in this video we will unbox Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo, but don't forget to watch this video too. अगर ये देखना भूल गए ना तो घर पे मम्मी से जाके डांट दिलाऊंगा. Okay, so if we take a look on the box, we get a clear image and side Realme badging, and if we so at the specifications we get 11.2mm large bass booster drive, 17-hour playback, magnetic connection, 88 millisecond low latency, 10-minute charge, 120-minute playback, IPX4. ओके तो IPX ये वाला टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, नहीं तो ये ऊपर वाले के पास पहुंच जाएगा, राइट. सो उसके अलावा सब कुछ टेस्ट करेंगे. सो लेट्स बिगिन डूइंग द अनबॉक्सिंग. फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन, वाओ, लिटरली वाओ. बट मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता कि ये लोग ऐसे क्यों देते हैं. ऐसे लगता है ना कि दो डक्स है, ये वाला एक डक है, ये वाला एक डक है, कुछ कुछ कर रहा है. ओके, डोंट टेक इट सीरियसली, आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग. Okay, so putting the headphone aside, what else we get, we have to see. So we get a USB to USB type A to USB type C cable and few earbuds and documentation. Okay, now we will look at the headphone. Let's look. So obviously we get magnetic buds, we can see here, and the color is beautiful. See, it is very lightweight design, featherweight this is. And if I show the ports and buttons, you get a type C charging port, volume up, and the feel is very nice. Play and pause, volume down. Here we have microphone button. It don't have active noise cancellation, but it have environmental noise cancellation. Okay, so if I say about the feel, see, you get a texture here. Let me show it. Okay, so you get texture in here, and now see, you get also a texture here. See, all part have texture. Okay, so you have a very nice feel. So unboxing is complete. Okay, so after using a long time, I can conclude that this headphone is very lightweight, and this facilitates also for longer duration of usage. Okay, and this texture and all this gives a feel of using. Okay, and the connection speed is fast. As soon as I open it, it connects with my phone. Okay, now obviously it is already connected first time, so it gets very easily, but the first time also I don't have any problem. और साउंड क्वालिटी की बात करें तो वी हैव 11.2 मिलीमीटर का लार्ज बास बूस्टर. सो गाना का जो बास है, बेस, उसको ये इन्हांस करता है. ठीक है, मतलब जो रियल बेस है उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा आता है, और ट्रेबल वो सब ठीक है, ओके, नॉर्मल, ओके, बट बेस बास करता है तो रियल साउंड से थोड़ा सा इन्हांस लगता है, जो आजकल का यंग जनरेशन को अच्छा लगेगा. पर I think they should give an option with the Realme app. I think they have given. I have not tried it. Okay, so I will try it and say it. And if I talk about noise cancellation, yes, it have environmental noise cancellation which works. Okay, मैं जब ट्रेन बस में जाता हूँ ना, तब इसका नॉइस कैंसिलेशन काम करता है. मतलब इन्वायरमेंट का जो हॉर्न्स है, लोगों का बोलने का साउंड्स है, वो थोड़ा सा डिम हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो हमारा जब म्यूज़िक का क्वालिटी है वो एनहांस हो जाता है. So overall this is a very nice product, and the cost of this, as written over here, is 2499. but इतना ज़्यादा तो नहीं बिकता, ये बिकता है अराउंड 12,999 like that, मतलब 1300-1200 में मिल जाएगा. Okay, so it is a very nice product under that, and you know that Realme Buds 2 is one of the highest selling in 2022 and 2023 also. So with this, my review over it is completed, and please don't forget to watch Realme Buds 3. You will get a link over I button, so please click that and watch it. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.